What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today people, I got some good news for you. For those of you all who own the Gear S3 and your battery drain has been plaguing you. Now, before I get started, what I thought was weird, right, was those of you all who had great battery life and when you downloaded this update to get the refresh of the One UI, that now you have issues with a battery drain, right? Now, I'm the guy that had an issue with the battery drain before on the last update, and now with this update, because I didn't have anything to lose, that's why I simply went ahead and downloaded it, and now I'm getting the greatest battery life ever. And I know a lot of you all are sitting around, whether you just bought your smartwatch or whether you've had it for a while and you want to know if Samsung is going to send a fix. Well, I got a hit from somebody that said that they talked to Samsung, they talked to a tech guy, and they said that they were sending up a security patch out and also a software update that's supposed to fix the battery drain issue that we're having on the Gear S3, whether it's the Frontier, Classic, and or the Sport. I called myself personally and Samsung has confirmed it. I talked to a tech person as well. Now, they don't really know what happened and why this is causing it. They think it's because of the One UI. But listen, people, regardless of what happened, it's happening, right? Now, they're saying that in between 3 days to 2 weeks, we should get this update, and it will not leave outside of this month. So the update we will be getting inside of June. They just can't tell us exactly when. So for those of you all who've been waiting on this good news, listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one, if you're happy about it or if you're done with wearing your smartwatch, period, and you're not going to do no more updates. All right, with that being said, people, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts, and make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And with that, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.